A company defined in the facility at plus planning, machinery, labor, material taking, and similar resources, and the jobs familiar with these resources are integrated. When a facility is to be created, facility definitions are selected from the advanced planning and scheduling list. Then a facility is created with the help of a code. Facility descriptions include integrations, machinery and cooperation group lists, alternative route lists in order, the list of job and resource connections, the list of rules related to the colors of jobs, definitions of sorting scores, and the schedule settings are the responsibilities needed in advanced planning across 7 tabs, and there are fields to be added depending on the nature of the job list. This video will primarily explain the essentials needed for planning. In later examples, detailed facility components based on the nature of the work will be explained. Integrations. Which of the thousands of jobs in the database is our facility? For integration, it's necessary to have defined the application link where the task list to be planned can be obtained. This link specifies lists connected to facilities within a multi-facility program structure. In the job list integration links, the application link from which the previously created job list for this facility will be retrieved is selected. The topic of defining the application connection will be explained in detail in another video. Machine and labor groups bundle. This area specifies the machinery and labor groups that will work in the facility. Rows are added with the add button. Then a machine or workforce group is selected. Each machine group or labor group must be added to this list individually. Resource groups are mandatory fields. They must be filled. Here is the pace multiplier for the resource, default waiting time. Resource performance can be controlled with coefficients like compression tolerance factor, alternative address list for transition, the area where alternative transition rules defined among resources have been added to the facility. It is not mandatory. Detailed examples will also be explained. List of work and resource links. The area where rules defined among the valid operations and resources at the facility have been integrated into the facility. The general job and labor connection definition described in the job and resource link definitions should be applied here to the facility. It is a mandatory field. List of rules related to the colors of jobs. If a defined coloring rule exists, this rule can be added to the list to color the Gantt chart accordingly. Chart settings here. The shifts the facility operates in must be selected first. Shifts are selected with the help of the Add button in the shift list. The volume in which optimization will search for an alien optimum result is controlled by the maximum number of solution steps and timeout duration. These fields are mandatory. Finally, the facility is saved with the Save button. All definitions have been made and the facility is now operational.